Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive helpful tips on how to relieve pain. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section down below. Is it painful for you to sleep, work out, or put on clothes? Has chronic pain taken away your quality of life? Hello, my name is Dr. Jacobs. I'm a doctor of physical therapy, advanced clinical nutritionist, and inventor of ASTR. After my second cancer diagnosis, I spent years going from one specialist to another, enduring multiple rounds of painful and invasive treatments, and spending thousands of dollars only to find myself still in pain. I invented ASTR tools and programs to help myself and patients get out of pain and stay out of pain. Listen to what patients are saying about ASTR.
So, psych herself up.
Okay, just a minute.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so you're gonna take your time.
Okay. Because this to me is a miracle. For 30 years, I got up this way.
So for 30 years.
For 30 years.
Yeah.
And I usually had to have help. And then I would jerk all the way up. And if I sat down, I spread my legs. And I'd have to reach back and grab something and kind of fall into the chair, which would instantly give me pain all the way down.
Yeah, I remember the first day touching your leg,
And
you were in a lot of pain.
I'll tell you what, if whoever is watching this, if you're worried about the money, think about the years and the stuff that you go through, that you have tried for this and tried for that and tried for something else. We're talking 3 days here. This is my 3rd day. And I am walking, setting, and just everything. So I don't care what he charges, it is worth it.
Click the link below to learn how thousands of patients have regained their quality of life with ASTR. Do you want to regain your quality of life and start living pain-free? Start your journey of healing today by clicking the link on the screen or giving us a call at 888-210-2787.